A circle centered at 2, 1 passes through the points 5, k, 6 and minus 3, k. Find the values of k. Hence find the length of the chord AB. Fine. A circle passes through circle with center is 2, minus 1 and passes through the points. I'll take A here, A, 5, 6, B, minus 3, k. So as circle is passing through the 2 points A, B, now see this C to A is radius, C to B is also radius, because we don't know exactly where they are located. So midpoint formula we should not use because they didn't mention the diameter. If they'll mention diameter, then with the help of midpoint it will be easy to find k. But here they didn't mention diameter, so I'll use this. This will be radius, this will be radius. So I'll solve by using equidistant concept. So here it's clearly given that CA distance will be equal to CB distance because both are radius. Then I'll get k, then I'll find the value of CA equals CB equals radius. So now if I'll do CA equals CB, so distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equals CB under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now here if I will consider this as x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Now I will substitute the values for CA. See x2 minus x1, so it is 5 minus 2 whole square, y2 6 minus 1 whole square. Here x2 minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus y2 k minus 1 whole square. Now I'll do here like squaring on both sides, squaring on both the sides. So it is 5 minus 2, 3, 3 square, 6 minus 1, 5 square equals on the right side minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 whole square, k minus 1 whole square. Squaring on both sides I'll do here. See, as I'll do squaring on both sides, squares and roots will get cancelled. So here I'm left with 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, minus 5 whole square, minus into minus plus 25 plus k minus 1 whole square. So here 25 and 25 will get cancelled. So I'll be left with here k minus 1 whole square equals 9. So k minus 1 whole square equals 9. So if I'll simplify this further, k minus 1 whole square equals 9. So k minus 1 equals root 9. So k minus 1 equals plus or minus 3. So if I'll take now here k minus 1, if I'll take equal to 3, if k minus 1 equals 3, or I can do k minus 1 equals minus 3. So k will be 3 plus 1, k equals 4. Here minus 3 minus, if I'll transpose, minus 1 will become plus 1. K equals minus 2. These are the two values. K equals minus 2. K equals 4. Now I need to find the distance of AB. So here clearly A is 5 comma 6. B is minus 3 comma K. But for K we got two values. Those are like 4 and minus 2. Now first I'll simplify. If K is, both will get same distance, same answer, but I'll show you. Like if K is 4, then A will be 5 comma 6 as it is. B will be minus 3 comma 4. Now this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Now I need to find distance. So AB under root formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now if I'll substitute the values, x2 is minus 3 minus 5 whole square. So y2 is 4 minus 6 whole square. Here minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 whole square. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 whole square. So minus 8 whole square is 64. Minus 2 whole square is 4. So it is 68 units. 68 units we can write in simplest form. So 2 times 34, 2 times 17. So 68 I can write as 2 into 17. So that is nothing but see 2 times we have 2. So 2 root 17 units. So this way. Now if I'll use minus 2 also, I'll get the same answer in place of K. So we'll check for that. If K is minus 2, A as it is 5 comma 6, B minus 3 comma K, so minus 3 comma minus 2. So now AB distance formula is same, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So now here minus 3 minus 5 whole square and then y2 minus y1. So here y2 is minus 2 minus 6 whole square. So minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 whole square and this one is minus 8 whole square. So position changes, so the distance will be like different. So here it is like 64 plus 64. So 64 is 128, or you can write 2 times 64. So that is 8 root 2 units. So there are two positions on a circle. If K is minus 2, the distance, the length of the chord is 8 root 2. If K is 4, the length of the chord is 2 root 17. So here I can write length of the chord AB is 2 root 17 units or 8 root 2 units. Because on a circle there are two positions possible here. For B, minus 3 comma 4, that is one position, and one more it may be somewhere in some other position, b will be, so that is minus 3 comma minus 2. So that's why we got like two different distances. In between I told the position will get same, but actually here because the position will change, so distance definitely it will change. So one is 2 root 17, the other one is 8 root 2 units.